Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I am super excited because I'll be sharing some amazing beauty gems all under rupees 500. These products are affordable, effective and a total game changer for our skincare, hair kit and makeup routine. So the very first on my list is this Etude House Dear Darling Lip and Cheek Tint, and it's in the shade Red Grapefruit. Now this is one of those products that you can't just go wrong with. It's so lightweight, like it literally feels like water on your skin. Yet it's packed with a punch when it's come to the pigmentation. Now what makes it more effective is its buildable formula. You can easily go from a subtle natural blush to a vibrant look depending on your mood. Plus it lasts for hours without fading, which is perfect for long days. It's enriched with fruit extract, so it's gentle on sensitive skin, and the shade itself is really pretty and it's suitable for mostly all skin types. So honestly, it's a steal deal. Next is this Sugar Pop Lip Gloss, and oh my god, this one is literally so underrated. The texture is smooth, lightweight and non-sticky, which is rare in budget-friendly glosses. Now I have this shade called Marshmallow, which is simply a transparent shade, making it ideal for layering or wearing solo. It has a very hydrating formula and it's enriched with nourishing oils to keep your lips moisturized while giving them glossy, juicy finish. Now if you are a fan of a fresh and fruity fragrances, this Vertical Crush Currant Body Splash is a must try. It has that perfect balance of sweet currant and subtle fragrance note that's light, refreshing and never overpowering. It easily stays on for about 4 to 5 hours, which is amazing compared to the price point. It's alcohol free and it is an absolute gem for daily use. Next is this Gentle Exfoliating Cream Face Wash from Quench Botanic. Now this is an all-in-one solution for cleansing and gentle exfoliation. The creamy texture feels luxurious on the skin and the tiny exfoliating beads are so fine that they never feel harsh on the skin. The star ingredient here is the rice water and vitamin E, which works wonder for your skin. The rice water, we all know that it soothes our skin and brighten the complexion, while vitamin E nourishes and hydrates. Trust me, after every single use, my skin feels really clean, soft and radiant without any tightness or dry feeling. It's especially effective for people with dry and sensitive skin who wants exfoliation without the irritation or harshness. From the same brand, I have this Dandruff Control Ampule. Now I used to suffer from dandruff not only in winter but also in summer, and from the day I have incorporated this product, my scalp health is literally transformed. It's packed with tea tree oil, which reduces flakes and soothes the itchy scalp, and salicylic acid, which exfoliates the scalp and keep it clean. So simply, if you are also dealing with dandruff or an itchy scalp, this is a pure magic. It has a gel-like consistency which absorbs in seconds, so there is no greasiness at all. So definitely it's a must-have for this winter season. From the hair care range, next I have this Moxie Beauty Curl Cream. Now I have normal to wavy hair, but still I enjoy using this product because no doubt it's great for curly hair, but it also smooths out the frizz in no time. It has that rich creamy texture but not heavy, so it defines the curls really well without weighing them down. Also, it's infused with shea butter and coconut oil, which deeply hydrate and fight frizz, leaving your hair soft, shiny and bouncy. Next I have this Ordinary 2% Salicylic Acid Serum, literally a powerhouse for acne prone skin. Now this is a gentle exfoliating serum, so it penetrates deep onto your pores to clear out gunk, reduce blackheads and also prevent breakout. The texture is super lightweight and it quickly absorbs onto your skin, so you can easily layer it under your moisturizer or other skincare product, that too without any greasy feeling. Now this serum has a combination of salicylic acid and witch hazel, which not only target acne but it also calm inflammation. Most probably I used this serum when I was down because I used to get a lot of acne at that point of time. So I simply used this serum for continuously 2 to 3 days and it literally reduced all my acne and breakout. Onto the serum category, next I have the Deconstruct 10% Vitamin C Serum, which is one of my favorite active ingredient. This particular serum is perfect for anyone who's looking to brighten their skin, and let me tell you, it's ranking in 4th or 5th position on Nykaa for their best selling serum. This has a 10% concentration, which is potent yet gentle, and it's great for beginners too. With vitamin C and ferulic acid, it helps fade out the dark spots, even out your skin tone and give you that lit glow from within. Also, it's lightweight, absorbs instantly and layers beautifully with other skincare products. Trust me, since the day I've started using this product, I have seen a noticeable difference. Next is the Derma Nia-Ceramide Moisturizer range in all 3 variants. These moisturizers are fantastic all-rounder because it caters for every skin type. The oily skin skin variant is mattifying yet hydrating, perfect for controlling oil and shine. The dry skin variant is rich and creamy, ideal for deep nourishment and hydration. And the normal skin variant offers the best for both worlds, lightweight yet super nourishing. These moisturizers are so effective at maintaining a balanced and healthy complexion in an affordable rate. Last product is also from the same brand. It's their 1% kojic acid lip balm with SPF 30 protection, and this lip balm is a multitasking hero. It has a buttery texture which glides on smoothly and instantly hydrate your lip. And infused 1% kojic acid help reduce pigmentation, and hyaluronic acid which keeps your lips soft and plump. Also, the added SPF 30 protection is a huge bonus for protecting your lips from sun damage. It's perfect for everyday use, and with consistent use, you will notice a visible improvement in your lip texture and color. So that was it for today's video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.